Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have a bit of a different video, a night drive of this 2018 INFINITI QX80 Sensory. So, some people sit there and they're like, oh, you can't see as much as night, you can't do this, can't do that. Well, let's be honest, 50% of the 24-hour day is nighttime, give or take. So your commute to work, from work, it could be at night. And I don't know why more people don't film in the dark, because you sit here and you realize, oh wow, actually these buttons aren't lit up the right way, or I don't like the way the dash looks at night. And plus, it just provides a pretty cool frame of reference. That is bright as all can be. Like, put it to you this way. If you're a car coming down a street at night, there ain't no way you're missing that. And it also really illuminates the ground. You can really see if there's any puddles or anything like that. Love the analog clock. Oi. Oi. Get the seatbelt, thank you. Wow, that's bright. Talk about illumination. Wow. Okay then. Set it to door. Wow. That's some of the best interior lighting I've ever used. Backup camera, into drive. The headlights are adaptive with steering input, which is huge, and onto the road. QX80 is powered by the 400 horsepower 5.6 liter V8. Thank you, INFINITI, for keeping the V8 around. Again, this is 2018 model. Obviously, still around for 22. No major redesign yet. Just slight infotainment upgrades. Well, not slight, it's pretty major, but this one does have heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel. I believe the back seats are heated as well. Nice and easy to place on the road. It's a big vehicle. I'm not gonna ignore that fact. It's massive. Biggest vehicle we make here at INFINITI. Well, I don't make it. I help sell it. That's me. Biggest vehicle, biggest segment, large luxury SUVs. Shares the segment with your Tahoe, Yukon, Suburban, things of that nature. So this one's Hermosa Blue over saddle. Again, interior lighting. I don't know what I just did. Oh, I just turned it into door. Interior, yeah, saddle's bright. Saddle is a gorgeous color for an interior. If you want an up-high driving position, yeah, this has it. You're sat very up high. I do believe this is body on frame. I'm like 99% sure of it. Now you can see these adaptive headlights at work, illuminating the corner as we go around. Once you drive a car with adaptive headlights, you never go back. I should say never want to go back. It's a game changer. It really is, especially on hairpin corners or back roads. It just allows you to see so much more. Now this car again, I ended up appraising this car when it came in on trade. I took all the inventory photos for this car. So again, much like the Odyssey filmed earlier today, this is essentially my baby. I saw it from day one all the way to now. It's pretty, honestly, I'll be completely honest, it's really cool to see what the car, how we take the cars in after detailing, going through the shop, fixing anything that needs to be fixed, and then seeing it on the lot. It's pretty cool. Yeah, nice one, Lexus. Good job. You had all that time to realize that was an exit only. But now, let's wait till the last second. Sorry. Hey, stick. Did you just see that? Those two cars turned like simultaneously. In unison, that's the term I was looking for. Yeah, so here's an instance. I almost wish we didn't have the car in front of us and this was actually an unlit back road. But as soon as you start turning the wheel, because you always want to be looking where you want to go, all of a sudden you turn the wheel and hey, that's lit up. Especially when we turn down that side street to end the video, you'll see how you'll look down the side street and you'll notice it's all lit up. That's huge, you know, because if somebody's walking across the street, or if there's a car there with no lights on, or an animal, or whatever, it's lit up. You can see it. It just gives you so much more confidence, especially driving at nighttime. A lot of people, even me, I can't see all that well at night. I mean, I can see, obviously, but not nearly as well as daytime. So there's that element of I can't see as much as I normally can. Gets in your head, but when you have the adaptive lighting, that eases that nervousness. That's why I love night videos. I love filming these at night. It's just a different ambiance to the video. It's just pretty cool. Alright, so I'll show you guys here. We'll turn down this back road. You can see it's not lit up at all. And then boom, lit up. That is so cool. Actually, if I go to the end, I should be able to show you it in action, because as long as you move forward, it works. So watch the headlights. You can see they shift. That's awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.